One thing I'm always going to do, no matter the style, is moisturize my hair, because protective style without moisture, that's just slow damage. If your hair is in cornrows and still feels dry, brittle or itchy, this video is for you. A lot of people think once their hair is in cornrows, they can relax, no manipulation, no stress. But weeks later, the hair comes out dry and broken. Cornrows don't magically grow hair. What grows your hair is how you care for it while it's tucked away. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how I moisturize my hair in cornrows, the products I use and how often I do it, and what I avoid so my hair stays soft, healthy and growing. Let's get into it. So first things first, moisture always starts with water. If your routine doesn't include water, your hair is not moisturized, it's just coated. I lightly spray my hair, focusing on the length and the cornrows lines. You don't need your hair dripping, just damp enough for moisture to enter. Next, I go in with my leave-in conditioner. I make sure I apply gently along the cornrows, not aggressively rubbing or disturbing the style. Then I seal. This step is important, especially if you live in a dry climate or it's harmattan season. A light oil or a butter helps slow down moisture loss, not drown the hair. For my scalp, I keep it simple. If my scalp feels dry, I apply a small amount of oil and massage lightly. No scratching, no heavy buildup. The goal here is consistency, not overload. I do this routine about 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how my hair feels. Not every day, not once a month, just listening to my hair. I also take a moment to massage my scalp, nothing aggressive, just light finger pressure to improve blood flow and keep my scalp healthy, especially since my hair is tucked away. And very important, I secure my ends. I make sure my ends are tucked in properly because dry, exposed ends are the first to break. Protective style is not just about the look, it's about what you are protecting, and for me, that's my ends. One mistake I see a lot is people waiting until takedown day to care. By then, the damage is already done. Another mistake is over oiling dry hair. Oil does not moisturize, it seals. So if your hair is dry before oil, it will still be dry after. And finally, ignoring your hair because it's protected. Protected doesn't mean abandoned. If your hair feels dry in protective styles, it's not cursed, it's just missing moisture. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with a natural hair friend and subscribe for more simple, honest hair care. And let me know in the comments, do you moisturize your hair while it's in cornrows or are you starting today?